So hi, hello everyone, welcome back for Logical Sayu. That's a very important topic. So that topic is my laptop is not running. You have given a more love for me, and in that each and every person who had been viewed that video, they have given a shared their love for me, and they commented in description. So thank you for them. So in that they still some persons can't fix that type of error, that laptop will not running, power button is not working. That type of error has been not fixed, and they are confused, and some their laptop is owning and it will automatically off when they are using, and the beep type of sound while owning, and it has been struck on a restarting window, and everything much more they have been commented. So in this video we are going to discuss all these type of errors, and we are going to fix this kind of errors. So if you are interested in this content, so stay tuned in this video and watch this until end, and you can able to fix this kind of error 200%. So without wasting your time, let's start a video. So basically whenever you occur this type of error, so try this general method. This is my Dell laptop will be any company, it doesn't matter. As you can see here, whenever you occur this type of error means just don't do anything, just remove your battery. This is a basic method, and remove the battery and hold the power button on for a minimum 30 seconds and maximum 1 minute, and afterwards place the battery and click on start button, it will on. This is a very basic method, everyone know this. If this is also not solving your error means you can watch my part 2 video. In that I have discussed each and every method in detailly, why this type of errors occur and what are the problems, and check ribbon and everything I have been discussed detailedly. I can't say explain detailedly in this video. So to watch that video, I will give the video in I button, you can check on that and it will solve your problem. And now we are going to see the important key points of this part, how we can going to fix our laptop if it is not owning. Every computer will go several of series of check from initial state to its home screen. So this is nothing but when we click a power button on, from that time to our home screen menu will be there, start button, everything icons, my computer, from starting to that home screen our computer will go under many different type of series of checks. In that checks, if any fault will occur in our computer system means this will also not allow us computer to on. So that type of errors may severe of checks, series of checks. So this is first point, perform of hard reset, means you need to disconnect all our AC adapters, USB printer, anything whichever the external device that are connected to our system laptop, we need to disconnect it, and afterwards replace the battery and turn it on, it will on automatically. Point 2 is run a hardware diagnostic test, means this will helps you to identify the potential hardware failure. Our computer has been compressed in a single part by different types of hardwares, it has been inbuilt. So by using this method, potential diagnostic test, hardware test, it will show us which our hardware is failure and which hardware is blocking to on our computer, laptop or computer system. So based on computer system I will make separate video. This is related to only for a laptop, understood? This is just perform a hardware diagnostic identify test, understood? Some of the symptoms while you restarting means no power. If your laptop has been not charged, then also it will not on, and no post means when you press the power button, if your LED light will be not on, not blink, means has been not charged well and the battery is dead. We need to first charge our laptop and next check it. And next is no boot, means when you press the power button the computer turns on and complete the post, understood? Process but display an error message. Well, means boot means when you on your power button, means your computer need to start automatically, instead of it will display any type of error message in front of you while booting. So then also you can easily rectify that type of errors and rectify our computer system. And no video, when you power a power button, LED and other LED status normally, but computer still has a blank or a black screen, means no video, means whenever you play a video it will show different types of errors, it will not display video, it will be the different type of view has been appeared in our computer system, and that everything this will cause to our owning problem. So if you got this error also, in future you may get the error of not owning your laptop. Understood? So this is the methods. If you are facing any kind of problem regarding to this what I have been explained, when your computer is laptop is not owning, just take your screenshot and send it to me, and I will most happiest person to see that and read your comments in front of you. So at that time, don't worry, be happy. Let you see in next video.